Hey everyone, we're live from Ophelia's Blue Vine, getting ready for the game, having a great time, get stocked up on the week outside Ophelia's. Farmer Bob has stopped once again and joined us, and we're just out having a good time, just meeting the people in the neighborhood, 18th and Vine Jazz District, and Bob's going to tell us a few of the things we have today for you.
Well, we came on because we let you know that we got some of everything down here, and we got the watermelons. It's good to see. We got tomatoes, homegrown Jet Stars. And we also got the sweet potatoes, which is used for pies and anything you want to use on this here. Come on down the Vine, Mike. We're going live. We got our barbecue sauce. If you're cooking ribs today, if you're cooking anything, this barbecue sauce, Johnny's barbecue sauce out of Kansas City, Kansas. And we would like to see some faces down here today. We ain't got too many watermelons left. Today, tomorrow it might be out. So come on down and get the sweetest watermelon and KCK.
And so,
go ahead.
Go ahead. So come on and come see us. Our battery's running low, and we're not going to do any stunts or anything like that for marketing. What we will do one step, we'll put on this watermelon hat, and we're going to go outside and come on down and come see us. Come on down to a food. Hey, it's shameless, but we got to do it. We got to get this stuff sold. All right.
All right. So we're going to be looking for you. We're here from today to 7 o'clock. We open right now. We live in Kansas City. Come down and holler at us. I'm Farmer Bob out of Kansas City, Kansas, working with Mike, Ophelia Blue Vine Farm.
All right. The Watermelon King.
Right.
The King is here. The King is here. The King is here. All right, come on down. Come see us.